안녕하세요. Hi everyone. This is Tingssam, your amazing Korean tutor. So welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something super fun planned. We are going to learn some useful Korean phrases using a scene from the popular Korean show 흑백요리사, the black and white chef. We'll go over each phrase, how to pronounce it, and when to use it. So, whether you're new to Korean or looking to expand your vocabulary, this video is for you.
존경스러워, 진짜로 존경스러워.
존경스럽습니다. 존경스럽습니다. I respect you. It's admirable. This phrase is used when you want to express respect or admiration for someone. You can use it in a formal setting when you deeply admire someone's actions or character. 선생님이 정말 존경스럽습니다. 선생님이 정말 존경스럽습니다. You can use this when praising someone who has done something amazing. Let's practice it together. Repeat after me. 존경스럽습니다.
일단은 맛있었어요. 한 번만 더 먹으면 안 될까?
한 입만 더 먹어도 돼요? 한 입만 더 먹어도 돼요? This is a polite way to ask for one more bite of food. You can use this when you're sharing food with your friends or family. 이 케이크 한 입만 더 먹어도 돼요? 이 케이크 한 입만 더 먹어도 돼요? It's perfect for casual meal settings when you want just a little bit more. Let's try it. 한 입만 더 먹어도 돼요?
잘 먹었습니다.
네네.
잘 먹었습니다. Thank you.
잘 먹었습니다. 잘 먹었습니다. Thank you for the meal. I ate well. This is a phrase you say after a meal to show appreciation. It's commonly used in Korea to thank the person who prepared or provided the meal. 배불러요. 잘 먹었습니다. 배불러요. 잘 먹었습니다. Make sure to say this after you finish eating. Repeat after me. 잘 먹었습니다.
수고하셨습니다.
수고하셨습니다. 수고하셨습니다. Good job. This is used to praise someone for their hard work. It's a formal expression of gratitude and acknowledgement for effort. 오늘 하루도 수고하셨습니다. 오늘 하루도 수고하셨습니다. It's polite to say this to a colleague or a team after a long day of work. Repeat after me. 수고하셨습니다.
고생했습니다.
고생하셨습니다. You endured hardships. 고생하셨습니다. You worked hard. It's similar to 수고하셨습니다, but it focuses more on enduring difficulties or challenges. 고생하셨습니다. 이제 푹 쉬세요. 고생하셨습니다. 이제 푹 쉬세요. Use this when someone has gone through a tough time or a difficult task. Repeat after me. 고생하셨습니다.
자신 너무 두부랑 잘 어울려요.
자시 두부랑 잘 어울려요. 자시 두부랑 잘 어울려요. Pine nuts go well with tofu. This phrase is used when talking about how well two things complement each other, like food combinations. 치킨이 맥주랑 잘 어울려요. 치킨이 맥주랑 잘 어울려요. You can use this for pairing food items like wine and cheese, chicken and beers like this. Repeat after me. 자시 두부랑 잘 어울려요.
아슬아슬했습니다.
아슬아슬했습니다. 아슬아슬했습니다. It was so close. Use this when describing a tense or suspenseful situation where something was narrowly avoided. 차가 멈춰서 아슬아슬했습니다. 차가 멈춰서 아슬아슬했습니다. Perfect for describing a near miss or a close competition. Repeat after me. 아슬아슬했습니다.
야, 이게 될까?
이게 될까? 이게 될까? Will this work? This phrase is used when you are unsure if something will succeed or work as planned. 과연 이게 될까? 과연 이게 될까? You might say this when you're trying something new and aren't sure about the outcome. Repeat after me. 이게 될까?
뭐야?
뭐야? 뭐야? What is this? What's going on? This is a casual phrase used to express confusion or surprise. 이게 도대체 뭐야? 이게 도대체 뭐야? Use this when something unexpected happens. Repeat after me. 뭐야?
준비되셨어요?
준비되셨어요? 준비되셨어요? Are you ready? A polite way to ask if someone is ready, commonly used in formal situations. 여러분, 준비되셨어요? 여러분, 준비되셨어요? Ask this before starting something important like a meeting or event. Repeat after me. 준비되셨어요?
흑백요리사.
흑백요리사. 흑백요리사. Black and white chef. This is the title of the black and white shelf. You can use it as a metaphor or a title. 흑백 사진을 찍었어요. 흑백 사진을 찍었어요. The most basic and direct meaning of 흑백 is to describe something that is black and white in color. Repeat after me. 흑백 요리사. Black and white shelf. 미쳤어. 미쳤어. This is crazy. An informal way to express disbelief or surprise commonly used in casual conversation. 이거 완전 미쳤어. 이거 완전 미쳤어. Use this when something unbelievable happens. Repeat after me. 미쳤어. 맙소사. 맙소사. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. An exclamation used when something shocking or surprising happens. 와! 맙소사. 와! 맙소사. Perfect for reacting to unexpected news or situations. Repeat after me. 맙소사.
1대1입니다.
와, 1대1.
1대1. 1대1. One-on-one. This refers to a one-on-one situation often used in games, meetings, or discussions. 우리 1대1로 이야기하자. 우리 1대1로 이야기하자. Great for suggesting a personal conversation or competition. Repeat after me. 1대1.
네, 이건 진짜 진심이에요.
이건 진짜 진심이에요. 이건 진짜 진심이에요. This is truly sincere. This is used to express deep sincerity or when you want to emphasize that you're being honest. 저는 요리에 진심이에요. 저는 요리에 진심이에요. Use this when you want to express how genuine you are. Repeat after me. 이건 진짜 진심이에요.
살 떨려.
살 떨리네. 살 떨리네. This is nerve-wracking. A casual expression used when something is so intense that it makes you shiver or feel nervous. 이 경기는 정말 살 떨리네. 이 경기는 정말 살 떨리네. Use this when watching a suspenseful game or competition. Repeat after me. 살 떨리네.
오랜만이네요.
오랜만이네. 오랜만이네. It's been a while. This is a casual expression used when meeting someone after a long time. 진짜 오랜만이네. 진짜 오랜만이네. Great for greeting friends you haven't seen in a while. Repeat after me. 오랜만이네.
즐겁게 요리했습니다.
즐겁게 요리했습니다. 즐겁게 요리했습니다. I cooked with joy. This phrase is used when you want to say that you enjoyed cooking. It's a polite way to express that you did something with joy or pleasure. 오늘은 정말 즐겁게 요리했습니다. 오늘은 정말 즐겁게 요리했습니다. You can say this after finishing a fun cooking session. Repeat after me. 즐겁게 요리했습니다.
넘어가야겠다.
더 먹어야겠다. 더 먹어야겠다. I should eat more. This phrase is used when you decide you need to eat more, usually after enjoying a meal or feeling like you haven't had enough. 너무 맛있어서 더 먹어야겠다. 너무 맛있어서 더 먹어야겠다. You can use this when you're enjoying food and decide to keep eating. Repeat after me. 더 먹어야겠다.
사기인데.
이거 사기인데? 이거 사기인데? This is a scam. This is a casual phrase used to describe something unfair or when you feel like something is scam. 이거 완전 사기인데? This is a totally scam. This is crazy. 이거 완전 사기인데? Use this when something seems too good to be true or unfair. Repeat after me. 이거 사기인데? That's it for today's lesson. We've learned 20 super useful Korean phrases that you can start using in your daily conversations. Whether you're practicing with friends or just trying them out for fun, these phrases will definitely help you sound more natural in Korean. In addition, you can download free PDF below for this script. If you enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next lesson. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video. 안녕!